What are private keys? Learn and understanding what private keys and how to keep them safe is additionally safely use cryptocurrency. We recommend using Bitcore for network consequences and Armory to manage private keys. You can also learn how to export and import private keys. By now, you have most probably heard the terms of public keys and private keys. But what exactly are they, and while more to the point, that what do they actually do? Well, to put it simply, they are sophisticated forms of cryptography and one of the most important aspects of cryptocurrency in terms of user security. While they are described as being keys, they actually tend to look a lot more like this. In essence, these are keys allow wallet to both send and receive transactions. We can imagine a public key as being the location of a post box. Anyone can put letters into the post box, but they cannot get them back out. Instead, the postman who owns the private keys has to come along and open the post box in order to receive the letters. So I'm going to the video right here. To find more information, go to the Wii's Coins. That is where you will find more information about public keys, private keys, and how keys are explained. You could also watch a video to understand what private key is and public keys are.